Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to buy USDT on Bybit. So let's get into the video. So open up Bybit and log into your Bybit account. So once you've logged into your Bybit account, so go to buy crypto here option here. So under buy crypto option, click on P2P trading. So when you click on P2P trading, so you'll get to this page here. So once you're on this P2P trading page here, so what you're going to do, you're going to make sure that the buy is selected. So select buy and then make sure that it's USDT here. So select USDTs because you're going to buy USDT. And then what you're going to do, you're going to enter the amount on your local currency. So how you want to spend, so how much you want to spend, you can just put that in. And then the payment method, like however you want to pay, so you can just choose that. Okay, so once you've choose that, and then what you're going to do, so once you've selected all these, then you will see all the results pop up based on your selection. So you will see all the one pops up here. So you can simply select you can simply select the one who whatever USDTs, like anyone selling the USDTs, and if you feel it's suitable for you, for example here, you can choose this one. So and the certain options will be ineligible, so you might not be able to purchase that. But if you see something like this, buy USDT, then you can purchase that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply buy USDT. So all I have to do is simply click on buy USDT, and then what happened here, so you will get the details of where you need to plug in how much you want to spend, and then the amount you will be received USDT, how much you want received. And once you're okay with it, then click on the purchase, and then you can choose the payment method and then complete the transaction. By doing so, you'll be able to purchase your USDT. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.